So if you're on a database for trying out some things, or maybe you are learning MySQL or Postgres, like SQL in general, or maybe like you wanna feel how the production, like how real world projects looks like how it works. You wanna have the test. So you can have a temporary database for 7 days without logging in. How? Let's see it. Just roll the intro. So my juniors out there, you're gonna need it for sure, so I will obviously share this video with you. Now where you gonna need it? While doing labs of dbms database labs. And why just my juniors? Like in any college, in any indian college, or in world, wherever you are, if you are learning dbms, you want to try it out some codes. Like there are live sql server by oracle that is completely shit. Oh, like most of the time it doesn't work. It gives a lots of glitches. So, and rather than that, there are some of the live sql servers out there that are also not that much like worth it. Okay, so what you can do, you can totally install the whole environment of SQL. Like if you want to use MySQL, then Oracle software, and if you want to use PostgreSQL, then Postgres software. Like all of them. But if you don't want to install it at all and still want to try it out, here is the trick how we will do that. And you obviously gonna need it. If you are my junior, I am saying it again, like you obviously gonna need it because when you're gonna give the exam, okay, and your SQL server will not run, I know like how much panic and stressed out my classmate felt. But I tried this trick. That why I totally like with total chaos I totally passed the exam. No problem at all. So let me give you the trick. So here we are at railway.app today, and I have previously mentioned about railway. And to be honest, I started liking it a lot, huh? Now I am right now in incognito mode because I already have an account here. So for users who has account, this trick will work, but still I don't wanna build something in my account right now. So here you can see, here it says startup project, and you can simply click on it, and you can deploy something from your repo. But you will not do that obviously, because in that way you have to obviously connect your repo to it. But we don't want to do that right now, and we don't want to do any repo kind of thing. What we will just do is start a postgres sql server, or in your case maybe mysql server, and it has support for mongodb and redis as well. But for most of the students out there, or maybe like who is starting out with the database, we obviously go for a relational database like any sql type database, postgres, mysql first, and then we go for document type database, that is mongodb. And actually we never go for redis, like cache system. That's so sad that our education system doesn't provide us the knowledge for cache system, but we should have learned it, whatever. So what you want to do is like, let's go for postgresql server. I will just click on it, and it will start a server for me for free. Seriously, for free. For it I don't have to pay anything. It will be free for 7 days without logging into the project. So I am obviously showing you everything, and here you can see claim the project. Like if you want to have it forever, you can claim the project. Okay, in that way you will obviously having it in your account. You in that in for that case, like you have to create a new account in here. But if you don't want to have it, if you just want to try it out, here is your postgres server. Okay, and obviously there will not be any data right now, and I am in production server. You can like create tons of other environments if you want, but I will not right now. And here you can simply create table via like GUI, but I would not recommend that. And in your labs you don't have that, so please don't try that out here. Okay, rather than use this query section. And in this query section you can do anything like select from table name, or like suppose create table, then table name, insert data into it, and do whatever you want to do, and it will give you the result over here as well. Now I love to use what I use, I totally forgot. I think I use something called whatever I forgot, but I have made a video about it previously. That is archetype. Yeah, archetype. I love to use archetype because that gives me autocomplete and snippets of queries. But here I think you don't have those functionalities. Obviously you don't have, so I don't write queries here. What I do is I simply connect it with my archetype, and if you want to see the password that I will not show you, obviously you can click on show, and like from there you can connect it, and you can just copy from here as well without even showing it. Whatever, here is your settings as well for this whole plugin and all. And now how railway works is, railway is adding everything as a plugin to your project. And what is my project name? That is past toad. I don't know why toad has passed away, but they might have killed them, whatever. So this is how it works, huh? Okay, totally simple. hmm? You know how to create it. Like from now on you can query data and suppose create things and whatever. And if you are having any problem, just read the docs. That's it. That's it. Yeah, whatever. I'm not doing a batsman voice. Okay, so that's it for this video. And in front of you I gonna delete it as well, because obviously why I will increase data space in their database. Why while I am like I have don't even a requirement for a base database right now, so I will just delete it. So it's deleted. Yes, it's gone. If you are like if you want to have it, you have to log in into the platform and keep it with you. But I have deleted it. So that's it for this video. Obviously visit this site. I why I am even talking like this, because obviously you will need this, obviously. Even if I don't say ki visit it, use it, blah blah blah, you will obviously gonna be needing it. I know, whatever. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, and if you know about some of the great tricks like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.